So guys, we have items from Japan Surplus na deliver na.
I have your paddle, Max.
Ang cute ng... Yan yung paddle?
Paddle for what?
Wow!
What's the paddle for?
Merong boat yan si dading binili.
Boat?
Yeah, boat.
What's boat?
Meron dyan, wait lang.
There is?
Mag-unboxing si daddy later, unwrapping pala because there's no box. Only wrap.
Do I want to unbox now?
Boat yan, ah.
Wow,
Where's the
cute.
boat?
The boat is there.
And i-inflate pa yun, anak. Tinisting cute.
Dirty
Oh,
yan.
so heavy.
Maliligo naman to. Sit properly. Here, where's your sleeper? Where ka muna yung sleeper mo?
This is heavy.
Oh, may new 10. Mababasa di dyan. Dito lang.
I run!
Eh.
Mama, do you know entrance World War? Mama, do you know World War II?
Yeah.
Like the entrance what they did. It is called a spade. You can
Spade.
use this to hit people with this. And also you can dig the holes. too. So,
It's
like,
lot of purpose. Excuse me dyan kasi daddy mag-open ha.
What's up?
they use this
Wow,
to
we
dig
have
for-
new 10.
Ah!
Meron na tayong pang tatlong tent na yan.
I will dig it up with my spade.
Alis ka muna dito kay hindi pa si daddy ma-assemble.
I'll dig it up with my spade.
It's quite big and it's color green.
They used this in World War
Baka
II.
mo kami.
They used this in World War II or World War I.
Malaki to anak. Bagong tent.
Malaki nga to.
Mas malaki to kaysa dun sa dalawa natin, di. Yeah.
Spotter!
Doon to sa third floor. Mas madali doon i-open. Ang laki.
How's it look inside?
Oo. Hindi na ma-open yung isang haligi kasi walang space dito. Anak! Nandyan si Max.
Doon ka muna.
Sumuot eh. Dito ka.
Wanna see what it looks like inside?
Yeah, daddy want to try it. If it's okay. Wala kasi kulang sa space, daddy. Nada pa siya galing. Mapulif eh, yung design. Alang laki.
I
It's
dig
for
it
the
up with my spade.
Masisira, Bin. It's for the whole family, oh.
Kailangan mo yan.
Just go to
Okay na yan, di. Walang space, masikip.
Let's dig it up with my spotter.
Maluwak. Excuse mo na anak. Excuse.
Okay, okay. Pag nag-disassemble na.
Let's dig it up
Alis
with
mo
my
na dyan.
spotter.
Okay, niligpit pa ni daddy yan.
Mama, why don't we just do it upstairs?
Maluwak.
Malaki nga siya.
Let's open it upstairs.
Yung dalawa nating naunang ano,
Ganon mo ya.
Okay. kapaluwagan. Okay.
Mami, let's do it upstairs.
Iba yung dati kasi natin, mas maliit yon. Tapos pag binuka mo, diretso na siya kaagad natatayo. Ang laki niya. Mas malaki. Tent. Camping tent. Natakot yung manok eh.
Maluwang tatlong layer. Maluwang pang height.
Pang ano talaga to di? Pang hike to ng mag-stay ng ilang araw.
Storage! Row a boat.
Ano na to?
Row a boat.
Wag mo.
Ligpit mo talaga muna.
Mama, do you know Tita Lola Verena and Tita Vic? When Tita Vic is like sleepy and like this, oh.
Yeah, he paddle
Tita
fast.
Verena about to prank him and make
Wala dyan yung
This is what he did. This is what he did when.
Nakaasikaso naman na yata eh.
This is what he do to Tito Vic, oh.
Yeah.
Pumahal. Ay, yung
Wait,
airbed.
cool man. We have like a chair called
Ito
cool.
yata yung airbed eh.
Daddy, we have a chair called cool.
Yata this one is for mommy and daddy.
Wow, red na red. You want to try on,
Oh,
Max?
cup holder.
You want to try on?
No.
Try on. Aba! Oh,
Okay na?
Looks like a king.
nakatry
Mama,
on
get
ka.
the other chair.
No.
Mama, get the other.
Nandito na nga. Ba't ka pa maglalabas nga mayroon naman dito? Ito nga i-unwrap natin eh. We have plenty pa nga doon sa taas. Huwag mo na ilabas yun. Ito yung ano. There's two. Mga bago pa din oh. Bago
Luma
pa.
yung mga ano.
Yung dati nating napili.
Hindi, yung nabili dun sa Davao.
Picture ka dyan. Tingin ka nga dito. Eh, ang ganda. Red na red.
Coming in the hall.
Ang pink chair. Nilabas talaga niya. Sira naman na yan. Kasi luma na yan.
Anak daw yan eh.
Oh, you put there.
Allman.
I think
Yan yung dati namin. Sira na. Nilabas ko talaga ni Max. Ano ang tatak nun? Parang firefly.
Allman yan.
Coolman din. Yan mang tatak na. Ah, oo nga. No? Ito. Same. Yan yung tatak ng Coolman. Meron siyang
Mama, this one doesn't have cup holder. This one has cup holder. Yes, Mama. Let's try it out.
Asan yung air pump?
Ha?
Yung air pump. Okay. May scissor ako dyan nilabas.
Oh, how about
Baka mapunit.
Mama? Yeah, the airbed ding. Alisin mo yung small ano mo, chair. Kasi ano, itatry on ni daddy yung airbed. Alisin mo. Ito lang sa design. Aba.
Ewan ko kung may
I was at a
yung
airbed.
doon sa anong may pump.
Meron naman tayong pump dyan. May regalo ako sa'yo
Yung may
buksan.
pump. Yung,
Oh, airbed.
Yeah.
Di,
Oh, you
Ipapump
can
pa.
bounce something that's
yung may
bouncy.
pump. Yun yung...
Binili mo, may binili ka pa pala dun sa anik-anik na isa?
Oo, yun ang
Okay.
ito.
Okay. So, no worry kasi meron naman tayong pang air pump
Meron
dyan.
ka ba?
Yan ang regalo ko sa'yo. Sinabi ko na tuloy yung regalo ko sa'yo. Di kuryente nga yun. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-pump ng mano-mano. It's an electric air
On the
pump.
boat.
Ah, Max want to see the boat. Okay.
I am the king.
Ayan naman. What's that?
Boat.
That's the boat. And yun pala yun yata din. Ano ba yung blue na yan? Ano yan?
Luna.
Ah, yung Luna. Okay.
Pinalitan niya kasi.
Parang makapal, no? O kasi pag nasa outdoor, mag-outdoor camping, meron kang ano. Yun na para kahit umulan.
That's a boat.
Yan yung boat, anak.
I am
Buti na lang yung niregalo ko sa pang-regalo ko sa ng ano, Christmas tree, pang pump. Kasi,
Luna ba ito o bot?
saan ba yan? Ay, yung Luna yata. Yan. Ayan yung Luna di. It's quite big.
What's Luna? That's a boat?
Hindi, yung Luna yan yung ano, yung parang trapal. But it's a Japan style.
You what the Luna
Ito yung para
supposed to
dyan.
do?
Oo.
You what the Luna supposed to do?
Shade for protection from the sun and rain.
I want to
Ito yung
see the
boat.
boat.
Okay, yan yung boat. Excited dyan si Max sa yung boat.
I can see the rope.
Kaso lang, i-ano pa ni daddy yan. I-inflate pa. Wow! Malaki din ah. Wow. Nice one. I-screenshot natin.
Sana yung
Oh.
ano? Sana yung pump.
Oh, buksan. So, guys, ito ay regalo ko sa kay Habi. So, may purpose pala to bakit ito yung ginawa kong gift sa kanya. Kasi may mga binili siyang kailangan ng pang air pump. Yan. So, ito yung regalo ko sa kanya. Bubuksan niya para magamit na niya. O, di ah.
You have to be surprised, ha?
Di na siya masa-surprise kasi alam na niya.
Movie ito,
Daddy
okay?
Lord.
Movie ito. I am the director.
Okay. You are the what?
A director.
Mama, this is the
Who's
direct.
the actor?
Alisin mo yan kay baka ano yan.
Tinry nga niya. Who's the actor?
You guys.
Mommy and Daddy?
This one is for ID kit.
Saan si Kuya?
Okay. Take it.
Mama, play this thing.
Electric yan, de. O, di ba magagamit mo dyan sa mga pinagbibili mo na ano, kailangan i-pump?
O, pahingin extension.
Okay. Lalabas ang extension.
More emotional.
Buti na lang yung niregal ko useful. Hehe. Success.
Thank you.
Welcome. Malamok.
See?
Wow. Successful. Maganda. Ayan guys, yung aking regalo sa aming regalo sa kanya na pang air pump. Nagamitan ka agad ngayon.
Mama, no
Diba?
hat allowed.
Not allowed? Gusto mo sila ipakita yung hair ni Daddy?
Yes.
Okay.
That's the one.
Director daw siya, kaya, ayan. Diba? Ayun.
Maliit lang pala, no?
Maliit lang, sakto lang yan.
That's air growing inside.
Ilak mo di. Di mo nilak.
He's active too.
Palitan mo ng nasil kung alin yung mas mano. Yan ba? Ayan siguro kasi ano.
Stop testing.
Okay.
Yung airbag yung kanina.
Okay.
Saan si Kuya Macloyd?
Doon naligo pa
My
yun.
mother is a third actor. He's getting a break.
Ano ba yan?
Ito kahangin naman. Wala kayang...
Just barely
Okay
air.
na yan.
Look
Next
at
time
this.
na lang. Sayang bin... At least it's working.
Mama.
So hindi muna natin ito...
Unbox the other.
Hindi muna totally anong papalubo kasi hindi pa naman gagamitin.
Daddy, when you gonna open this maple?
Hindi ngayon na kasi malamig. Inuubo na nga kayo.
When the cousins are here?
Magkakamping tayo nun.
Oh, look, oh, it's a
Yeah. It's nagkaroon na siya ng ano.
Ayusin mo yung upo mo, Ma.
Mabubuwal ka dyan. Ayan na, it's getting filled up.
Mama, here, I can see it filling up. Oh, look at it. Oh, look at that.
Walang butas.
Tapos na?
Hindi pa.
I wanna lay down on it.
Kulang pa.
Yeah, you can lay down. Ah, wait, later.
Later, kailangan isara muna. Kaya lalabas yung hangin. Yan! Airbed!
Okay na?
Tingnan mo dyan.
Kaya na?
Okay na yan, di. Ilak mo kagad. Di twist yung lock niya. Mabuti. Ang ganda.
Sit down na.
Lay down, pinggang.
Oh, sit down lang. Sige na.
Okay lang, di ka pa naman naligo eh. Maliligo ka naman mamaya.
I let them rock.
Tuwag-tuwa si Maxi Momoya.
Kuya.
Sa taas pa.
It's missing out.
He missed this, he missed this experience.
Moment.
Kuya, miss this moment, no? Ayun na silang dalawa. Ayun na silang
I
dalawa.
can do jumping.
Oh, jumping. Power dala ko nung dun sa Asian.
Okay ah.
Yung, hindi pa ganong ano.
Di ba masyadong matigas? Kulang sa hangin. Sige lang, try on lang naman.
Therefore, you can
Sabi
just
ko
get
yung queen
this.
size.
Quantum.
Queen size ba yung in-order mo dun sa isa?
Hindi, ganyan.
Ganito din? Kinaya.
Wala nga.
Let me try jumping on it.
No jumping. Para sa bit lang.
Okay yan ah. Pag nag-camping,
No jumping, Max. It's not allowed to jump in the boat.
no jumping nak. Monkeys jumping on the bed.
Ang ganda, no?
Ganda. Say thank you to Daddy.
Mama, do you know monkey in the bed? One monkey fell and broke his leg.
Yeah. Not only one, both of them. All of them. Say thank you to Daddy.
Thank you. Now, what does this say?
Louder.
Thank you, Dada!
No
No more
screaming.
director.
The director's already playing.
What's this?
Wala pa si Ku.
Ah.
Naligo na sinampulan na nilang dalawa yung airbed, ah. Ni hao. Ah, ni hao. Sinampulan yung airbed eh. Thank you, Daddy, for buying the airbed and camping tent,
Camping ang nag-arrive.
camping chair. Tapos meron pa tayong inflatable boat with a paddle. And ang very useful na regalo kay Daddy namin na air pump. Walang paghangin, oh.
Ganahan siya.
Ganahan si Ja.
Max! Song 21.
Sino tayo?
Let's bounce.
Bounce. You like it?
I will jump for you.
Meron naman tayong yung pinakaluna. So, nasa labas magganito. Tapos
Yung wag na jumping.
no jumping, sit down. Lay down or sit down.
You're bouncing on.
I'm bouncing na. Okay na?
Our Japan surplus unboxing.
Unwrapping.
Unwrapping with my dad.
Thank you so much. We have
I'm
great
the director.
items
Now
of
I'm
for
playing.
camping.
I used to be a director, but now I'm an actor.
Okay, thank you. Ganda nito sa probinsya, oh. Doon sa amin kasi probinsya, tabing dagat kami. Di mo ba yan isasama pagligpit? O kasi baka mahiwalay.